when I'm trying to help you?
I gave you a hard time.
You a 4 right here. I'm trying to help you out. How much for them shoes?
200.
Okay, so if each pair of Crocs.
What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. And shout out to the new subs, man. I cannot make a video without shouting out the new subs, man. Last video, I think we talked about 660. We over 675 and counting, man. We walking down 700, man. I would love to hit 700 by the end of this video, man. So if you're watching this right now, tell a friend to pull up on this channel. Got another unboxing for you today, man. Shout out to my wife, man, because she really the genius behind everything. You know what I mean? She been telling me to stockpile content and have it ready to go. Because we've been stockpiling content, you know, I got videos kind of just in the archive, ready to go, man, ready to edit and get out. So today's video is about a shoe that's honestly been at the crib for a minute. It was delivered while we were out on vacation. I believe it was while we was out on vacation. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. Was it? Yeah, okay. I think so, after vacation. But either way, man, I got an unboxing for you. What shoe is it? You about to find out. Got the box right here, man. As you can see, Nike back with a different box, man, but it's from Nike. It's here, it's ready to rock and roll. They got a little something on the front, man. They got the little QR code, but hey, we got the pull tab, so I ain't gonna struggle with this box. All right, so we got the pull tab. All right, boom, like that. Man, boom. If you know what this is, man. We got a Jordan 12 box right here. And the box reads Air Jordan 12 Retro. The colors are black, field purple. If you know, man, you know what's in this box, man. Let's stop playing. All right, man. Standard Jordan 12, man. We finally got a different type of paper. And guess what color paper that is, man? Is it sail? Is it off-white? I promise you on this channel, y'all gonna be like, man, all he talk about is sail. But hey, man, that's just the color of the paper. Hey, man. Yo, I'm gonna go into initial reaction real quick. Hey, this shoe is low-key kind of fire, bro. Now, I'm not even finna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. Maybe it's because I haven't seen a Jordan 12 in hand in so long. Because I feel like they always do them dirty, whether they put the white on the bottom that kind of yellows over time or gets dirty to the point you can't even bring it back. Or maybe it's my overall love for Jordan 12s deep down inside, I don't know. But this shoe, it's fire, man. You can just check out the quality on it, man. So two things for me that stand out really quick on this Jordan 12 Field Purple. And a lot of people I've seen do videos on this shoe have said that this is supposed to be a Gary Payton PE. For those of you that are sneaker enthusiasts, or you know all the details and the ins and outs about the history of the shoe, I don't, but that's pretty cool because Gary Payton briefly played for the LA Lakers, and this was, I guess, one of the colorways that they created. You can clearly see the Laker purple on this joint. If you turn to the back, there's hints of the gold. You got gold here. So, I mean, it makes sense. And even on the bottom, this definitely has an LA Laker colorway on it. I mean, it's literally the same colors as the Lakers. But the thing about Jordan 12s, and I'm just gonna talk about this specific 12 real quick, the quality stands out. The leather looks really good. You got those standard rope laces that kind of come in the Jordan 12. And even these little gold shoelace holders, or whatever you wanna call them, I think that's a pretty dope feature on this shoe. Now, the problem with this shoe is that in today's market, people could care less about Jordan 12s. I mean, that's just the reality. If it ain't a 4, if it ain't a 3, people don't care about 12s. Even the collabs that have come out with Jordan 12s haven't really done well. So most people care about the OGs, the Cherry 12s, the flu games, things of that nature. But I personally think that this is a dope shoe. Just all the way around, I think Jordan Brand did a pretty good job with this shoe. I'm looking for any kind of inconsistencies on the shoe. Nothing really too crazy. I can really see you wearing this shoe for a while and not having any issues with it. Got the second shoe in hand. Let's get a look at it. Boom. All right. Hopefully you guys can see that clear. The Jordan 12 Field Purple. Man, it's honestly, bro. Let's just do a full 360 real quick. I ain't got your fancy table like y'all be having, you know what I'm saying? I get one. You know, one day I upgrade. When y'all subscribe, when I get more subscribers, nah, just kidding. But check it out, man. Check it out. All right. Gonna hit it. That's the look. See the bottom? Boom. The bottom is actually cool to me. I think this is one of the dopest parts of the shoe, even though most people won't see this unless they looking at your feet to the point you walking or running. The police might see the bottom of your foot if you running from the police. Now, I don't encourage people running from the police. I'm just saying, like, that's the only way people gonna see the details on the shoe. It's pretty dope though, man. I like that, man. All right, man, so again, this personal pair, if you're thinking it looks a little smaller, it is. I wear size 12, this is actually a size 10 and a half. A pair not for me, but we picked up for my son, who kind of like me can be impulsive. He said he liked this shoe, and my wife was kind of sketchy, like, yo, after we bought them, she was like, what the heck you gonna wear with them? Because these kids nowadays, man, like, they don't really be putting it on like that at school. They go to school comfortable, and maybe your kid goes to a school where they actually dress every day. Listen, I was born in the 80s babies. You know, when we was in high school, every day was like a fashion show. You know what I'm saying? You had to put it on, you had to put it together. And if you didn't, unfortunately, I was one of those kids where if I couldn't put it on, I didn't even want to go to school. You know what I'm saying? I'm not promoting that today. That's why I actually like that these kids today, they go to school in Crocs, they go to school in slides, they go to school in pajama pants. Like, they literally look like they just woke up out the bed and just like go to school. But because of that, my wife was like, what the heck you gonna wear with these? He ain't even gonna wear them. They're probably gonna sit in his closet. Just because of the field color purple way, a lot of people would say, okay, it's purple. I'm gonna have to do a ton with, you know, bringing the purple out of the shoe. I think it's more to it than that. Retail price of the Jordan 12 Field Purple was $200. It recently came out and dropped on the sneakers app. And last time I checked, there's pairs still available on the sneakers app. There's pairs still available when we were in the stores, when we got back from our vacation. So a lot of people not really rocking with this shoe like that for whatever reasons, I don't know. Again, I continue to hint towards the economy. I just think a lot of people aren't really buying shoes, not because they don't like them, just because the money ain't there. And kids actually like things like Crocs, slides, things that are cheaper. So as a parent, if you can actually save money and get your kids something they like, why not do it? So that's a reason to me why the Jordan 12 Field Purple is still sitting on the shelves. It has nothing to do with quality. I don't think it has anything to do with styling. It has nothing to do with anything outside of the fact that the economy is probably not really in a good place, and people just much rather buy 2 or 3 pairs of Crocs. You can get 2 or 3 pairs of Crocs, right? For the price of 1 pair of Jordans. So, I mean, I understand that, I get it, you know, and they're gonna wear that's more comfortable for them versus getting this shoe and they don't have a way to style this shoe or even wanna wear it every day. You get what I'm saying? All right, man, so we talked about the shoe, we talked about the quality, we talked about pricing, we talked about styling. We talked about the availability of the shoe. You know, as far as the aftermarket, I didn't talk about that, but that's not really necessary for this shoe specifically. You can go find it in the store, you can go get it on the sneakers app. But hey, my overall rating of the shoe, because I want to get better with giving y'all a rating. Let's be clear. For a Jordan 12, take a good look at it. I'm gonna go 7 out of 10 for this shoe. I'm gonna go 7 out of 10. The quality's pretty good. The colorway's not bad. And it's just overall not a bad shoe. I like the fact it has a black sock liner, so you ain't gotta worry about that getting dirty. I think they did well. So let's go 7 out of 10 on the Jordan 12 Field Purple. Let's go. As I said in my most recent video, I had a pop-up shop. That pop-up shop was yesterday. Shout out to everybody who showed up and showed out and supported the brand. But if you didn't get a chance to make it, you can always go to the website at rawmelonclothing.com. Link will be in the description box. There are some pieces still remaining. Yesterday's near sellout, but I got some fall items on the way. So in the meantime, Go check out the website. Like I always say, love is free, hate costs. You've been rocking with Mud Talk with your boy Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.
Like that.